Welcome folks to another DIY video. So today we are about to remove the ABS module right here on this 2013 Honda Civic here. Okay, so the reason why I have to remove the module is because as you can see, all the lights are on in the car. I tried everything else, they don't work, and I figured that the module is bad, so I'm replacing it. So this is the ABS module. Mine is not working. So basically we have to remove the brake lines. So we got these four right over here and remove the two here. And if you look down this way, we gotta remove this screw and another one right behind there. You see it? And plus this one. For this job, this is what you'll need right here. So first, disconnect your battery. Now disconnect the connector. Voila. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. This part here was the hardest because there was not enough space to pull the old module out, but somehow I got it out. This is the one I just took out. That one right here. This one is the one I bought. No, it's funny, I bought it used. Can you see it? Here. Okay, the whole time as I'm talking, I'm thinking I'm actually showing you the one I'm about to install. If you look on top of the screen there, you can barely see it, so I'm sorry about that. Before you put the new one or the used one, and in my case, make sure you wipe out any oil, any fluid that was leaked on some part of the car while you were taking it out. There we go. So we wipe this thing out. Putting this in here can be a real challenge because the space is so tight. So I guess that's why you take it to a professional, because they know which part to remove and stuff like that, so they can put it in. But me, yeah, it took me a minute to get this thing in here, but it's in. So then you just put the screws back and attach the brake hose, and you good. So I got everything plugged back up. My phone died and now it's dark. I had to go do something. So I just come to make sure I show you. So basically, after I tighten everything up, I plug this part back in. Also, make sure you bleed the brakes. I will have a separate video for when I'm bleeding the brakes. Reconnect the battery and we're good to go. Okay, now, so let's start the car and see if it actually worked. Get out. Get out of here. Yo, this is crazy. Look at this. No more light. Can you believe this? I can't believe it because this is my first time changing an ABS module, y'all. And man, I am so happy about this right here. Oh, you have no idea. That just saved me a lot of money. So thank you for watching. Again, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know if I did something wrong, because hey, that was my first time. And also look out for the video on me bleeding the brakes, because after you change the ABS module, you have to bleed the brakes to, you know, to make sure no air got into the brake line. So thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye. Wow, this is crazy.